Dear students, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ms. Ramadevi. Even today I came to you once with the new video. I hope you will enjoy this video too. Today I brought you the bits of the chemical bonding lesson in 10th class physical sciences with the concept of Milo Evaru Pratibhavantulu. I think you will like it, and let's go to the video. The first question, electrons that cause bonding between atoms. Option A, electrons in inner orbit, valency electrons, or electrons in outermost orbit. C, protons, and D, none of the above. The time starts now. The answer is valency electrons. That means the electrons in outermost orbit of the atom. Next question, second question, the maximum number of electrons in outer orbit. Option A 10, option B 4, option C 6, and option D 8. The time starts now. The answer is 8. The maximum number of electrons in outer orbit is 8. Next question, third question. The elements acquire these chemically by obtaining an octagonal orientation. You know the octagonal orientation means in the electrons in outermost orbit is 8 electrons. The option A is inertia, option B stability, option C A and B, both A and B, and none of these two. The time starts now. The answer is both A and B. That means inertia and stability. Next question. The following is an ionically bonded molecule. Option A MgCl2 magnesium chloride. Option B H2O water. Option C C2H2 acetylene. And option D CO2 carbon dioxide. The time starts now. The answer is MgCl2. Next question, fifth question. Elemental atoms exhibiting low reactivity and high stability. Option A non-metals, option B metals, option C gases, and option D inert gases. The time starts now. The answer is inert gases. 18th group elements are more stability and low reactivity. Next question. The bond formed by the change of electrons. Option A covalent bond, option B ionic bond, option C triple bond, and option D none of the above. The time starts now. The answer is ionic bond. The change of electrons is called the ionic bond. Next question. The scientist who proposed the covalent bond. Option A Lewis, option B Cosell, option C Linus Pauling, and option D Powell. The time starts now. The answer is A Lewis. Eighth question. The bond formed by the atoms sharing electrons with each other. Option A ionic bond, option B triple bond, option C covalent bond, and option D none of the above. The time starts now. The answer is covalent bond. Next question, ninth question, bonding in nitrogen. Ionic bond, single bond, double bond, and D triple bond. The time starts now. The answer is triple bond. One bond is sigma bond and the another two bonds are pi bonds in nitrogen molecule. Next question, 10th question. The scientist who proposed the valency bond theory. Option A, Lewis. Option B, Linus Pauling. Option C, Kozel. Option D, Powell. The time starts now. The answer is Linus Pauling. Next question, 11th question. These orbitals form the sigma bond. A, S orbitals, B, P orbitals, C, D orbitals, and D, all of the above. The time starts now. The answer is all the above. S orbitals, P orbitals, and D orbitals, all orbitals form the sigma bond. Next question. These orbitals do not form pi bond. Option A, P orbitals. Option B, S orbitals. Option C, D orbitals. And option D, none of the above. The time starts now. The answer is S orbital. S orbitals do not form pi bond. They form only sigma bonds. Next question. 11x23 forms an ionic bond with the element Y. What is the charge and the ion formed by X? This is the symbol of element X. The atomic number of X is 11 and atomic mass is of X is 23. So X have 11 electrons. See, A plus 1, B plus 2, C minus 1, D minus 2. The time starts now. The answer is plus 1. The element X has 11 electrons, so it loses 1 electron. So it has the charge plus 1. Next question. Which of the following is a negatively charged element? Option A, sodium. Option B, oxygen. Option C, magnesium. Option D, calcium. The time starts now. The answer is oxygen. Next question. Number of covalent bonds in a methane molecule. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option 4 D 4. The formula of methane molecule is CH4. The time starts now. The answer is 4. All 4 bonds are single bonds. Next question. The following is a double bonded molecule. A, C2H2 ethylene, B, C2H4 ethylene, C, HCN hydrogen cyanide, next D, N2. The time starts now. The answer is C2H4. Next question. What are the electrons in the outer orbit or outer shell of an atom called? A, pair electrons, B. bond electrons, C. valence electrons, and D. none of the above. The time starts now. The answer is valence electrons. The electrons are in outermost orbit or outermost shell are called valence electrons. Next question. An inert element that has no octal orientation on the outer level. Option A helium, option B argon, option C krypton, and option D radon. The time starts now. The answer is helium. Except helium, inert gases have the general formula is NH2NP6. But helium has only 2 electrons, so helium electron configuration is 1s2. So the answer is helium. Next question. The valency of non-metallic atoms belonging to group 15, that is 50A group. Option A is 1, option B is 2, option C is 5, and option D is 3. The time starts now. The answer is 3. Next question. The number of sigma bonds in CH4 molecule are, CH4 means methane. Option A 2, option B 4, option C 3, and option D 5. The time starts now. The answer is B 4. Thank you for watching my video. I will meet again in a way that is very interesting with the new and interesting topic. Signing off, me Ramadevi Madam.